Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer from crypto.com to your bank account. First, ensure your crypto.com account is fully verified, including identity and address checks to avoid withdrawal delays. Next, familiarize yourself with the specific daily and monthly withdrawal limits applicable to your account, as these can vary. Finally, have your bank account details readily available, including your bank name, account number, and routing number, for a smooth setup process. To link your bank account, open the crypto.com app and go to the Fiat Wallet section. Here, you'll select your preferred local currency, for example, US dollars, and then tap on the Withdraw option. You will then be prompted to add a new bank account. Carefully enter your bank's routing number and your personal bank account number. Double-check these details to ensure accuracy and prevent any transfer issues. Once your bank account is linked, you can sell your cryptocurrency to convert it into your fiat wallet, holding your chosen local currency. After the conversion, navigate back to your fiat wallet and select Withdraw to your linked bank account. Enter the desired withdrawal amount, keeping in mind any minimums or maximums. Review all transaction details, including any applicable fees, before confirming your withdrawal request to your bank. When withdrawing funds, remember that processing times usually take between 3 to 5 business days, varying by bank. Be mindful of any withdrawal fees, which are often a small percentage or a flat fee, clearly displayed before confirmation. Crucially, ensure the name on your bank account exactly matches the name registered on your crypto.com account. Mismatched names are a common reason for transaction rejections, so always double-check this detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.